Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. You must be running Inky Reels 2024 and enrolled in beta access. Once enrolled, open the beta menu and link your account so the game recognizes you. This step grants the eligibility flag. Then, immediately begin completing the first few reels, aim for 3 daily reels, or accumulate 500 plus real currency to reach the token threshold. Doing this first accelerates the drop rate for beta Bendy and primes the system to allow the summon sequence. Once done with initial eligibility, focus on the unlock sequence. You need to finish the beta puzzle segments A, B, and C in order because the game checks lineage for the spawn condition. While solving, deploy 3 specialized reels, Shadow, Flex, and Sync, because they modify spawn tables. Place them in the correct slots to stack spawn modifiers. Also, make sure to sustain a combo streak of 50 or higher. That streak provides a roughly 40% increase to rare spawn probability and reduces noise from common drops. To finish, go to the beta arena during the in-game night cycle and start the summon ritual. Timing matters because the spawn table flips at night. Insert the final beta key and spend 250 real currency to activate the summon. This sequence consumes your modifiers, but guarantees a high roll. If beta Bendy does not appear, reset the instance, reapply Shadow /Flex /Sync modifiers, and reattempt immediately. Doing that clears temporary flags and fixes most spawn glitches without losing eligibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.